Hi, this is Dave King, President and CEO of Steel City Drones and Steel City Drones Flight Academy. At this time, I would like to address the coronavirus and announce that we have temporarily suspended all training activities and classes until further notice, based upon the recommendations of local, state, and federal authorities. Like everybody else, we hope that we will all be able to get back to our normal routines soon. Now, until then, we would still like to be able to give you as much active content because we know that there's a lot of people out there that are sitting in the home and bored. So we have a bunch of things that we already filmed in February that we'll be rolling out throughout the rest of this month. Also, we would like to be able to continue giving you active new content. So if you have questions or suggestions on videos or anything that you would like to be able to ask or talk about your passion and love for drones, please let us know in the comment section below. Now, until then, please stay safe and we'll talk to you soon.